Isa.
When SB19 performed in Tokyo, it wasn't just about the music. It was about the message. And fans felt every single word.
At sa kung sino man makakapanood na ito sa social media back in the Philippines, I hope they know and feel na sumusuporta kami kahit wala kami doon. Mahal namin ang Pilipinas. You know, alam ng lahat yan. And I know that you guys love Philippines as well. With all your heart, with all your soul. So yeah, gusto ko lang malaman ninyo lahat yan. And sa lahat ng tao na nanonood ngayon.
During SB19's sold-out Simula at Wakas concert in Tokyo last September 24 at Zepp Haneda, the members took a moment to share powerful words with the crowd. Ken spoke first, saying that even though they weren't in the Philippines physically, their hearts were always there. He hoped that everyone watching online could feel that their love and support for the country never wavered.
Also, hindi lang bilang isang Pilipino, as an artist na din, ang pagtungtong at pagpe-perform sa entablado ay ang paraan namin ng pagprotesta. Wala man kami sa kalsada sa mga panahon o araw na nangyari yon, pero buong-buo ang suporta namin para sa lahat ng lumalaban, para sa lahat ng sumisigaw, para sa lahat ng sumisigaw ng hustisya sa korupsyon at pagnanakaw sa kabanang bayan.
Stell followed, expressing that performing on stage wasn't just entertainment, but also a form of protest. For them, it was their way of standing with people who were fighting for justice and calling out corruption. He made it clear that even if they weren't in the streets during rallies, their voices and performances were deeply connected to the struggles of their fellow Filipinos.
Siyempre, as SB19, at kahit hindi pa kami SB19, gusto ko lang sabihin na mahal namin ang Pilipinas. Marami kaming ginagawa, marami kaming mga tinatry gawin para makatulong sa Pilipinas matagal na. At para sa mga pumupuna, kung bakit daw ba nagagalit o nakakapagsalita ng mga hindi magagandang salita, syempre, hindi naman tayo laging ganun. Pero may karapatan tayong magalit kapag tayo ay ninanakawan na. Gusto ko lang sabihin, magkakaiba man kayo ng paniniwala, magkakaiba kayo ng, syempre, na sinusuportahan. Kahit sino pa yan, basta magnanakaw, may karapatan tayong magalit. Dahil tayo ang isa sa mga tumutulong sa Pilipinas. So, hindi nila pwedeng abusuhin ang kanilang kapangyarihan.
Josh then raised his voice with passion, reminding everyone that they loved the Philippines long before SB19 even existed. He admitted that while they usually spread positivity, there were times when anger was valid, especially against abuse of power and corruption. He emphasized that no matter what differences people may have in beliefs or opinions, everyone had the right to be angry when leaders exploit the nation.
Sa lahat po ng nangyayari ngayon sa Pilipinas, imposible na hindi pa ito natin nakikita. Harap-harapan na po tayong niloloko and oras na po para mamulat. Hindi na pwedeng hayaan na lang yan, mauulit lang din yan. Maraming po tayong pwedeng gawin and kahit ano pa po yan, kahit hindi pa yan nakikita or naririnig, basta para po sa bayan natin, sana po gawin natin.
Justin added that what was happening in the Philippines was no longer hidden. It was happening right in front of everyone's eyes. He encouraged people to open their eyes and refuse to stay silent, stressing that if things were ignored, history would only repeat itself. His words were straightforward but carried so much weight.
This was originally composed by Ben and Ben. Ito bilang isang Pilipino, hindi dapat talaga tayo manahimik, lalo na kapag inaalipusta na tayo. So itong next song namin, inaalay namin para sa mga pinipilit patahimikin ng mga boses at para sa mga Pilipinong patuloy na lumalaban sa hustisya. So kung alam niyo po yung mga salita, sabay-sabay natin natin.
Finally, Pablo introduced their next song, tying it directly to the current situation in the Philippines. He dedicated the performance to those whose voices were being silenced and to Filipinos who continued to fight for justice. The moment Pablo invited the crowd to sing with them, the entire venue erupted in cheers, knowing exactly what song was coming. It was one of those unforgettable moments where music, message, and unity collided. Fans who witnessed this couldn't hold back their emotions. Many expressed how proud they were of SB19, saying the group's words gave them goosebumps. Others felt deeply moved that SB19 used their platform to show unwavering love and solidarity with the Philippines. For some, it proved once again that the group's dream had always been rooted in lifting their country and their people. Their sincerity reminded everyone why SB19 wasn't just a boy group, but voices for change. That moment in Tokyo wasn't just another concert stop. It became a powerful reminder of why so many people believe in SB19. They showed that even outside the Philippines, they carried the nation in their hearts. And judging from the fans' reactions, those words will be remembered just as much as the music itself.